Dude, quick design review. What do you think?
Looks round, it's got 6 holes.
Basically, we need an adapter for our adapter.
Yeah, we're making a spacer that will move the flange of the gimbal away from the adapter flange that's on the IRB 6700, because when I designed this in CAD, I had designed it for the IRB 4600, which doesn't have that adapter flange and doesn't have those big M12 bolts that we need to get around.
Let's grab some stock. I think it's ready to go.
Yeah, totally.
Here, let's take that. We'll cheat. This is my favorite trick, by the way, of where you wanted it more. If the center was there, would we be happy? Yes.
I think so.
Or maybe we'll go a little that way. That feels nice. Okay. 0Y.
These like for indigestion. You just throw them back and swallow them.
Do not consume. They look like candy. With plywood, it's just the whole game of down cut, up cut. So cut the top surface with the down cutter. If you're cutting through, you want to be cutting with the up cutter to pull so that you're not blowing out the edges. Checklist. Part referenced. Part to 0. I'm cheating, I already sort of did that. Spindle power on. Spindle height from, we did both of those. Nice. It's the audible, it's the indicator. Yeah. Can leave the brushes off so you can see it cut? Okay, we'll make a mess. And then it comes back and goes all the way through the boreholes with the up cutter, which is pulling the material up.
Okay.
Now we're really making a mess. Yep.
The bone's off.
Tab cutter. But what about these ugly tabs?
Gosh, I don't know.
Thinky face.
Gorgeous. Should have cut a little loop logo in it.
Ship it.